Hi, Shaun. I'm ready.
What the hell are we doing?
Well, can I be honest with you?
Yes.
Okay, we're doing a dolphin. We're doing a this is ridiculous. We're doing a video about the Maiton and Dolphin experience that we offer. The problem is,
what does a sword and French fries got to do with it?
The dolphin costume didn't arrive, and the only costume I had at home was a French fry outfit, and the sword was in my son's room.
Stay tuned as we go through our dolphin and snorkeling tour. Hi guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay.
And we're going to go and highlight through our dolphin and snorkeling tour today, and I'm going to try and keep a straight face while French fry, honestly.
Should I take it? I don't mind taking it off.
No,
it's
you
quite
should
hot.
leave it. It's fine. It's perfect.
I'm not sure if the microphone's working either, to be fair.
This is one of our favourite tours to recommend to young families, especially during low season as well.
Or to anyone that likes dolphins, to be fair.
There is a pod of 12 dolphins, and maybe they're more now because they've been having babies.
One's called Joe Montana.
Do you know how many babies a dolphin can have in a year?
That was a great joke. It was a great joke.
Can you, be serious?
Yes.
How many dolphins? How many babies
dolphins?
can a dolphin have?
How many pups?
They have pups.
They have pups.
Really?
Yes.
I'm confused.
And do you know that dolphins sleep with half their brain closed off and the other half's open? And they sleep with one eye open. That's true.
I had a lot of jokes there that I was going to tell, but I won't tell them. Anyway.
Do you know how dolphins
Let's not talk about it. Anyway, so this is a tour we recommend for families, purely because it's not far from the pier, and all season around we normally have very, very good sea conditions for it. People do often ask me with this tour, are the dolphins available to be seen, or is there seasonality to it? No, they are a local pod of dolphins. They are here all year round, and they do get very, very playful.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, they.
Are you playing with dolphins?
They do like backflips and stuff.
Is that allowed?
That's family-friendly
Can we just say,
tour.
we should advise everyone here, we cannot guarantee you see dolphins.
No, they're wild.
Yes.
And no, you cannot play with them, and you cannot swim with them.
No, you can't.
Because they will swim away.
Did you know the voice of Flipper wasn't a dolphin either? It was a kookaburra.
List of useless facts that you keep bringing up for no particular reason.
There you go.
Anyway, so what's going to happen is you're going to get picked up from your hotel, and you're going to come here where you're going to meet your...
Hello, I'm a French fry. Welcome to the map. Today we're going to go and find dolphins.
You know, the other day you nearly beat up a kid for their pizza.
I did. I wonder how that... You told me off about that, and they shouldn't know about this because you told to cut all that footage out. Yes. I thought it was funny.
Anyway, once you meet your guide, they're going to bring you to the map. There are some donuts and coffee available on the pier.
Don't have the coffee.
Don't drink the coffee or the French fries.
No, don't have French fries. They'll be cold by now.
So once they've done that, they're going to bring you to the map where they're going to talk to you about what the tour is going to be like.
Yes.
Once we've gone through the design of the tour, it's on the boat and out. Now, let me tell you what you can expect from this tour. Firstly, we're going to leave out from Boat Lagoon, and we're going to head down towards Maiton Island.
How long does that take, Shaun?
It's going to be about 25-30 minutes from the pier, and we go to Maiton Island first because that's where we see the dolphins.
That's hopefully, allegedly see the dolphins. I'm just covering our back. I don't want to get told off.
No, I got it. And so once we're here, we're going to do some laps around slowly with the boat looking for the dolphins. And if we don't find them, normally we're going to go and do a snorkel spot because Maiton Island...
Or we're throwing a load of chum to try to... Oh, no, that's not dolphins, is it?
No,
that's sharks.
That's sharks.
Okay, oops.
Yeah. But if you'd like to see... let's not talk about sharks, yes.
Sharks and dolphins, they don't get on, do they?
I haven't seen sharks at Maiton ever.
No, I've never seen a shark at Maiton.
Anyway, Maiton does actually have some good snorkeling. So
snorkeling.
We will find a spot there to snorkel. It's got some of that spirally coral.
Yeah, it's called spiral coral.
Curly French fries, right?
Yeah, and it's also got batfish.
Okay. I don't even know what that is.
That's a fish that looks like a bat. That's why it's called a batfish.
Are you confusing Maiton with Bat Cave?
No, I love Bat Cave. Don't look up with your mouth open at Bat Cave. Anyway, that's in a different area. All I'm saying is it has batfish, it has spiral coffle, spiral coral. It does have Nemos as well. It does have some clownfish. You have to get a little bit, you have to know where you're going to find them though. And there's two sides to snorkeling. There's two good sides. So if the weather's a bit windy on one side, you go to the other side. And if it's a bit windy on the other side, you go to the other side. Good, eh?
So then once we're finished snorkeling and dolphin spotting, then we're going to head on to one of two islands.
Ooh!
Now this tour has two options, not one, but
two
options. Firstly, we could head on to Coral Island.
I like Coral Island. It's really good snorkeling, and it's got a great restaurant. The food's lovely, and it's got hornbills, and you can play on the beach, and you can go rock pooling.
So when you're at Coral Island, you can do all of that. Plus snorkeling.
The snorkeling there is amazing.
There's a viewpoint.
Eels. There is there is a viewpoint, and it's easy to get to.
And there's
a swing. You go parasailing.
There's water sports there.
There is water. If you're into water sports, you can. They've even got a see-through bottom.
No words. So that would be option number
one.
Option number 2 is, instead of going on to Coral, we go back to Kai.
Oh, that's not bad. There's 3 different Kai Islands, and they're all very nice, and they're all very different.
Yes.
Well, 2 of them are pretty much the same.
At Kai Island, you can snorkel, you can beach time, there's vendors there for lunch, there's nice cool little bars.
Really good somtam on Kai Island.
Yeah, I
which
will
is
take a boat out there just to eat somtam.
No, I know, a lot of the guides do as well, you just don't know it happens.
You maybe even want to ask us to put a fishing rod on, and we can do some fishing while we're there as well.
Can we catch dolphins?
No, we can't catch dolphins.
Oh.
So second option is to go to Kai Island.
They're nice.
That's where so at either option, we're going to definitely snorkel, we're going to grab some lunch, we're going to have some beach time. You can do water sports at both options as well. You can only see the hornbills at Coral Island. And generally, we don't make the decision as to whether you're going to go Kai or Coral until on the day, and we let your guide recommend that based on the sea, tide, and conditions of the day.
Both are really good for young families because you can snorkel straight off the beach, but it's got chairs, it's got facilities, proper toilets, restaurants, and all that jazz. So it's really good for families.
So then,
or old people.
Yes, I quite like either option. Lucas was at Coral Island just the other day. He actually did this tour on Sunday.
Did he?
Yes.
That was nice. I was in Similin Island Sunday.
So once we've finished either Kai or Coral,
yes,
normally we're then going to head back to Rung Island.
Oh, I was there yesterday.
And at Rung Island, we're going to have some beach time. There's a lot of things to do at Rung Island.
Great thing. Rung Island is really lovely.
You can meet Billy the goat.
Brian the goat.
Brian.
That's Brian. Hey, Brian. How are you? There's a picture of Brian. I like Brian the goat. He's got massive by the way.
Oh, gosh.
Carl's probably have to bleep that bit out, but he really has.
Okay,
I videoed them, and then I thought I shouldn't do that because of the horse video that was in Phuket the other day.
At Rung, you can do some beach time.
You can go, yeah, well done. You can go ATV in, which is really cool. It's a simple ATV. It's not scary, and the kids can do it as well. You can go jet skiing there. Yes. It's a little bit expensive, the jet skiing, if I was going to be honest, but it's still quite cool. It's got a restaurant. It's got toilets. It's also a really nice island to walk around as well. It's got 2 sides to it. You've got a tropical side, and then you've got almost like a Phang Nga Bay side. Yes. So it's very, very cool. I like it. It's a nice island.
It's got cocktails.
It has got cocktails. You can get a penis enlarger there.
So this tour, again, just to be very, very clear, ideally it's out from the pier to Maiton.
Yes.
First stop.
See the dolphins, hopefully.
Dolphin, swim, snorkel. Second stop is going to be either Coral or Kai.
I say Coral.
Kai, depending on what you would like to do, and the guide on board will make that recommendation.
That's right.
And then generally third and final stop, we're going to go to Rung Island for a little relaxation, a beach time, maybe sunset before you head on back.
You can just watch the sunset as it comes down. It's lovely there.
Correct.
Beautiful island.
Then once we're finished, then we're back to the pier, and that's our day done. It's a very easy day. In the tourism industry, we call this a soft experience, meaning it's a very easy day for families.
Please, can I tell my joke about? No, come on.
For families of all ages to do this tour.
Oh, it's a family-friendly show, isn't it? Oh, dear.
Families of all ages to do this tour. It's a perfect soft experience. And if you've never snorkeled before, this is a great way to go and learn.
That's right.
So, Jay, what should they do?
They should book it up right now. And please make sure you like and subscribe. And I do apologise that I'm dressed as French fries, but the dolphin costume didn't come in time.
What was the...
I honestly I have no idea why I picked up the sword. I just did because it was on my son's bed as I ran out. Because you said we need to film now, so
anyway,
I just ran out of the house.
If you have any questions about the tour, drop a comment below, like, subscribe.
I've done that bit.
Send us a pigeon.
I've done that bit. No pigeons.
Okay.
I've done that bit. I've done all this. You can go now.
I'm gone.
I'll wrap up. Thanks for watching. You guys are amazing. Peace.